Hi, so this is a half equation, a half redox reaction. We want to balance it in acidic medium, as is written in red here. Now, what I wrote here in black is just the first step of the solution. Yeah, sorry, I was already solving it before you guys joined. So this is it, MnO4 minus going to Mn2 plus. That's the major players here, right? And then we'll start our balancing process. The first step is to make sure that the manganese, which is Mn, is balanced. After that, we want to balance the oxygen with water. We have 4 oxygen on the left-hand side. So on the product side, we're going to have to add 4H2O. Next, we want to balance the hydrogen with hydrogen ion. We have 8 hydrogen atoms on the product side. So I'm going to have to add 8H plus right here. Okay. Now I'm balancing in acidic medium, so I don't need to start introducing OH minus. I will just go further to balance the charges with electrons. So I have a minus and I have 8 plus, meaning that I have 7 plus 7 on the left hand side and a plus 5 on the right hand side. So I'll need to add 5E minus here in order to balance everything. Okay, so now if I calculate it, this is minus 1, this is plus 8, and 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 8 minus 1, when you solve all this, you get plus 2. Just the same way you have a plus 2 on this side. So now you see it's balanced, right? It is. And that also brings us to the end of this particular question. Yeah, okay, before we go, let me just fill this in. So I have 1 here, I have 8 here, I have 5 here, I have 1 here, and I have 4 here. So that's it, guys. Enjoy.